Hey guys and gals, how y'all doing out there today? I, like a week or two ago, did an anodizing tutorial, a really quick one for a good friend of mine who I used to work with. Well, my phone ended up in, Michigan, so I lost all the footage, so here I am doing it again. I'm going to be doing it's one of these. It's a little... Let me grab the paper towel here. It is just a little titanium clip that I have on my Swiss Army knives. It makes it just a little bit easier to carry in pocket sometimes. And I really like them, so I'm just going to strip this one and re-anodize it. It's not a long process, so it shouldn't take very long. And we'll get another video here. Alright. First, I'm going to go through the steps and what's in each of these baths. First bath is Winks Rust and Stain Remover. This is not stuff you want to get on you. Hence why I'm wearing one glove for the dipping. Nasty stuff, but it will take just about anything off, including the anodizing on the titanium. You always start, it kind of opens up the pores of the metal, and then if you made it all the way to the end, it'll actually take the finish off if it didn't turn out how you liked. If you want to do a different color or if it's splotchy. So that's not a problem. Regular distilled water in the second tub. Then 91% isopropyl in the third tub. Then we have distilled water and baking soda. Just a big spoonful of it. Very simple. And yeah. Then we have, to give the blue color that I want, I have 3 9-volts daisy chained together like this. Black to negative going into the water bath. And I literally have just a piece of an old butter knife that I'm using as a, I believe it's a cathode, I believe is the technical term. Just clip that on there. There we go. Okay, then red is going to be going to positive, connected to the wire here. This is titanium wire. You cannot use stainless or any kind of steel or copper or even aluminum. It really just messes up the finish. It does not look good. It does not give proper results. Titanium is really the only thing that works well. So, note, when finding titanium wire, it is a pain in the butt. Either order it from online, Amazon or wherever, or go to a smoker vape shop. They actually carry it. I don't know if it's for wrapping around coils. I don't know exactly what it's for, but they had it. I just saved you how many hours trying to find it locally, because no hardware store near me does. Alright, so I have this just sitting in the distilled water at the moment. I note, if you do not clean the piece very well, it will leave fingerprints from the oils on your hands. So I cleaned it with just 91% isopropyl, let it soak in the 91% isopropyl for a while. And now we're going to do the Winks here. Now, this does not take long, okay? You're going to put it in, and it's going to start bubbling. I always kind of shake it around a little bit, but it's going to change colors really rapidly. And as soon as it starts to give off some bubbles, you're done. Put it into the distilled water, put it into the isopropyl. Now, I'll bring that back up here. It was a really nice blue. Come on, there we go. Now it's just a plain titanium again. And note, when I'm done with this video, I will pause the video here, and I will take it outside so you can really see what the blue looks like. And I'll bring out some other examples of what I've done. But yeah, like I said, we're back to straight titanium. I'm going to put it in the isopropyl just to make sure it's clean. And we're going to put it back in the distilled water. Okay, here we go. This is what we're going to do. Take your red to the positive end. Come on. Alright, this is live. Like I said, black is going to the negative, the actual thing inside the water bath. And we're going to connect to this straight to the titanium wire and put it in the bath. And it's really a very fast process, so here we go. And we have blue. There we go. There we go here. See? Right back to blue. Like I said, it was plain titanium just a second ago. It is a really simple process. I was really shocked I'm going to check for splotches or anything like that, see if we don't have to do it again. It's drying, it looks good. So, alright, I'm going to pause the video and see you in just a moment. Alright, here we are outside, some natural lighting. And you can see, like I said, it's a very, very kind of vibrant blue. Really cool looking. It's a really simple process. And you can do this with just about anything titanium. Note if it has any steel, like the next piece I'm going to show you, you do have to cover it or remove any steel when you're anodizing. But yeah, like I said, from a plain metallic, just plain titanium looking finish, it goes to this. And, well, you saw how quick it was. It does not take long. Here's the other piece I've done, or that I still have here. This is a ZT0801. It came out a really nice purple, and actually, if you get your hand oils on it, it actually starts revealing some blue. So it's kind of like right in between purple and blue when I did it. You can even see a tiny bit of bronze right in here. But this actually has a steel lock bar insert. You got to make sure you either take that out or cover it. But a really cool little process, and you can get some cool colors out of it. Depending on what batteries you use, or how many batteries you use, sorry, you can get different colors. One 9-volt gives you a kind of like a dirty penny copper-ish color. 2 batteries gives you purple. 3 battery gives you blue. And then you go up from there. If you just Google it or YouTube it, you'll find a video that guy actually goes through 12 9-volts, showing you what colors you can get. I believe it was Crazy Sharp Knife Nuts was the channel, and he's who actually I learned how to do this from. So I do appreciate your help, sir. All right, thanks, guys. If you could, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff. To my buddy at work, what's up, Ryan? And all right, see you guys soon.